preparing to set up a coffee tea station setup for 10 packs. First thing, we ensure that our mise en place is ready. Ensure following all the equipments are available in the side station. 10 teacups, 10 saucers, 10 teaspoons, 1 silver tray, 1 side plate, 1 serving gear, fork and spoon, 2 coffee tea decanters, 1 heater warmer for the coffee and tea decanters, 10 dessert plates, 10 dessert spoons, and 10 dessert knives. Polish all equipments in the side station. Your dinner plates, coffee cups, saucers, creamer jug, and all the. As we have completed polishing all our whites, we are going to polish the cutleries now, starting off with the dessert spoons first. Then our dessert forks. Followed by the teaspoons. We are now making the cutlery pocket. Ensure to handle all the cutleries hygienically and place the cutleries inside the cutlery pocket. Remember, the fork should come always on the left side and the spoon should be kept on the right hand side. And now we are just going to put the clippers for the skirting. For trip 1, we are going to bring all these coffee cups, the saucers and the teaspoons together. As it is easy to remember, it's always better to start from the left towards the right. All the handles should be in 4 o'clock position. And all the teaspoons should be placed also in the 4 o'clock position. When you place the second tier cups, it should be inverted for hygiene reasons. Tip number 2, the coffee warmers must be taken to the table.
Go.
Place the coffee tea warmer in the center of the table. The coffee and tea decanters need to be brought into the table. The coffee and tea decanters need to be placed on the warmer, and ensure that the warmers are on, and to check the functionality of the warmer as well. For tip 4, the creamer jugs, the sugar ball along with the basket need to be brought into the table. Just in front of the warmer, and place the sugar ball, and also place the wooden basket in front of the sugar ball as well. Tip number 5, the dessert plates are to be brought in as well, and place just right to the coffee warmers. The next trip, we are going to bring the cutlery pocket to the table. Cutlery pocket to be placed just right in front of the dessert plates. As a last trip to the table, we are going to carry the silver tray together with the side plate and the serving gears to complete the coffee and tea station setup. Place the side plate along with the serving gears in front of the table and the silver tray to check each and every pieces of cutleries and crockeries set in the table, and ensure that your warmers are on. And now your coffee and tea station setup is complete.